Alright guys, so we have a brand new Tesla Model Y here in for ceramic coating. I did do the interior off camera because I am currently fighting the weather. It's getting pretty windy, but interior is all done. Now we're gonna hit up the exterior, get it all decon washed and ready for ceramic coating. Alright guys, so got it moved into the garage now, and it is looking really good, all cleaned up. And honestly, it's not even swirled up yet. Like I said, brand new car, so it's not bad. I think the worst of it might be, I don't know if you can see it right there, but it's normal wear and tear from opening the doors. It's pretty much on every door, but other than that, no swirls on the paint. Can't really see it, but yeah, beautiful paint. Cool. Alright guys, so like I said, the paint isn't bad at all. I usually do a one cut with microfiber, but because the paint is literally pristine, I'll probably actually switch over to one of the foam pads just to be safe. Don't want to take too much clear off. Brand new car, like I said. Who knows if you would want another paint correction later on, so we'll do that for him. should be able to catch a scratch here. I don't know what those lines are. These black marks must be the LEDs. But finally, something to actually correct here. We will get that for them since the rest of the car is pretty pristine. Alright, just did a quick spot there, but it is, well, it's gone.